Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out how we can use WhatsApp to process all our receipts, all our invoices, our payment documents automatically from WhatsApp without having to go into any other kind of software. So to do this, we're basically going to be using Tailride.so, which has amazing WhatsApp integration, which we can use to do all this processing for us, right? So just go to Tailride.so. In this case, I'm going to already be using my account, which already has access to this feature, and which I'm going to show you right now how you can use it too. Right, so first step, when we are on our Tailride account, which you can already, you can just create one for free, and then go into your integrations tab, right? Here you'll see lots of integrations, but we're only interested right now into our WhatsApp integration. So basically here you can see that description is send your receipts, photos, and PDF documents directly via WhatsApp, right to this number, right? This number is the one that basically this Tailride bot is on. So, this number is the one that we have to write in and send all our invoices, receipts, pictures, PDFs, so that it can process them for us, right? So the good thing is that we can add as many WhatsApp numbers as we want. So basically, we can just add all our employees' number here, and this way they can all use this number to send the receipts, pictures, and they will all the invoices, all the receipts, they will get here on our Tailride dashboard, and we will have access to it, right? So we don't have to pay anything else, anything extra to add 20, 50, 100 WhatsApp numbers. We can just add as many as we want, and it will just keep working the same, right? So in this case, I'm testing with this number, which I have already added, and obviously if you don't add any number, you can write to this WhatsApp number, but the invoices and receipts won't get processed as they need to be linked into your Tailride account, right? So first step is add your WhatsApp number here, and then you can start writing to the bot, and the bot will already know who you are and what your account is, right? So you can see here I already have connected one number, and I could just click here on the number, and this would basically just open the WhatsApp API for us to write directly to the number, right? In this case, I already have this number here, and I'm just going to write anything so that it can tell us what it can do, right? So basically, welcome to Tailride WhatsApp bot. I can process your receipt photos and PDF documents, right? And to get started, make sure your WhatsApp number is linked to your Tailride account, which we already have. Send a clear picture of your receipt or PDF document, and I'll process it and add it to your dashboard, right? Send help or status to check your account. So I'm just going to test these commands so we can see what the options are. This is basically the same. Then I'm going to click send on the status, and basically let's see if we are good to go. So perfect. If you're already using Tailride, you will probably know that this feature is already available with Telegram, right? And you can do exactly the same we're doing with WhatsApp, but with Telegram, okay? In this case, you can also go here and basically add all your Telegram usernames that you want right to our Telegram bot, and in this case, it will be basically the same. You can also send pictures, you can also send PDFs. So, let's just start testing this. Okay, so I already have here my my dashboard. I already have some invoices here. So we will send a new invoice, and we should, after it has finish processing it, it should appear here, right? So as a fun fact, WhatsApp processing takes more time than Telegram, just because of the speed of the integration. Right? Telegram is much faster on WhatsApp. Just will take more time, but in this case we can just add our documents and just forget about it because it will get processed, right? So, well, just sending here this PDF, and we will have to wait until it gets processed, right? You will see here that basically we'll see status updates on the invoice that we just sent. You can see now that it says it's processing your PDF. It first has to download it. It then has to upload it to Tailride, and then basically to process the document, right? So also when these invoices, these receipts get processed, they get automatically tagged on our software on Tailride, right? And basically you will know who is the one that sent the receipt, right? So in this case, this receipt was sent through Telegram, so we have the username of the user that sent this receipt, right? And in this case, this one was sent via WhatsApp, so it will have the name, like the name of the WhatsApp account that sent this invoice to, right? So this will make it then very, very easy to filter by tags, and we can see who sent which invoice, right? Just by going into filters and clicking on the username or on the name, right? So here I'm just going to pause the video very quick, wait until the invoice has been processed. Okay, so it has already been processed. You can see here that it took a couple minutes to process since we sent it first, and well, we can see already here the invoice details, right? We see the ID of the invoice, we see the amount, we see the date, we see the vendor, right? And if I go here on my dashboard and I will reload it, we should have effectively the invoice, right? I can just preview it. I can just see all the information that was extracted from it, the amount, the creation date, due date, tax, which was automatically added here, the vendor name, the vendor country, and well, in this case I have already integrated my Google Drive account, so we also see here the Drive file, right? So well, I don't know here if I have access. Yeah. So well, this is how it works. It's very, very easy. Once the number has been connected, it will it will work perfectly. It might take a couple, 3 minutes to process the actual invoices, and well, just remember you can do the same with Telegram. Usually WhatsApp is easier because it's more used, at least here in Europe, so that's why we have actually added it. And well, so now you can use both WhatsApp, both WhatsApp and Telegram for the same functionality. So also remember that you can both send PDFs and images here. They will both get processed. For images, they will also get converted to PDFs. So here in the dashboard, you can, when you click on downloading, you will see the actual PDF converted from the image. You won't see the image themselves, and all this information is always extracted from the documents, right? So that's it.